Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram posts more accessible. So here I'm at my Instagram account and I'm going to go ahead and click the plus button to add a photo. And I'll go ahead and add the first photo here. So this is looking good. I'm going to click next. And I'm going to write a caption. And below that you'll see advanced settings. Go ahead and click advanced settings and you'll see the option to write alt text. And alt text lets screen readers read what your description of your photo is. So people that are maybe visually impaired are able to hear a description of your image. And I would say, when you're writing your alt text, make it as simple as possible describing the photo or image. So here my alt text is hand holding 3 pink rosebuds. So go ahead and save, and there you have it. You'll be able to have that additional alt text when you share your post. Thank you, everybody.